Hello, everyone. I'm back once again, and I'm back on AutoCAD, and so are you. I just wanted to be able to show you guys how to filter in AutoCAD. So let's get it going. We're in AutoCAD. We got our drawing, and your drawing should be in model space, whatever it may be. Uh, and so we're going to be able to filter and use the filter command in AutoCAD and see how we can do this. So I go to layout space, paper space, whatever you want to call it. And then I usually, within this viewport, I double click inside the viewport. And then that's when I go to layers. And then we want to go to unsaved layer state, click the drop down, click on manage. We're gonna create a new layer state because we haven't created any. So we're gonna create a new layer state. And then we're gonna you might put a new layer state. And so we're gonna use the layer state to change the colors of our floor plan design project or whatever it may be. So I'm just gonna put layer state 1, and then we're still in the viewport space. We're in model space, so it's gonna manage layer states. I'm gonna click on edit, and then we're gonna click on all. We're gonna select all, and then we're gonna just change it up to say, we're gonna click on the colors and just pick red. Click on red, and I might want to change, say, walls to say walls to black, I guess, and then furniture black. And then here's where you can change the color of whatever items is on a specific layer. And then we want to click on restore. And then that's how we are able to change our drawing so that it can like filter out to whatever it may be. I may not be seeing the right words for this, but you guys, this tool is just very valuable. And when I go back into model space, it's the same color as you intended it to be. But when you go into paper space, layout space, you have your drawing right there, and you can change it up and modify it however you may need. So like, subscribe, comment, let me know if there's other information you need to know about. Click the links in the bio. If you're interested in learning more, I have classes set up and you guys can be able to learn more and click. So yeah, follow up and I'll follow up with you guys. Thank you. All right, see you guys next time.